Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel on iPad. First, open the Excel app on your iPad. You'll find it's designed for touch, making navigation simple. Swipe to move between worksheets and tap cells to select them. The familiar ribbon at the top provides quick access to essential tools, just like on a desktop. This setup helps you start working efficiently right away. Entering data is straightforward. Tap a cell, then use the keyboard that appears to type your information. For numbers, you can quickly apply formatting like currency or percentages, making your data clear. You can also adjust cell alignment and wrap text within cells to ensure everything looks professional and is easy to read on your iPad screen. Excel on iPad supports powerful formulas and functions. To add a formula, simply type an equal sign and then your calculation, like sum or average. The app offers a vast library of functions to help you analyze your data. The formula bar at the top allows you to view and edit even complex formulas with precision, ensuring accurate results for your spreadsheets. Saving your work is often automatic, especially when using cloud services like OneDrive. This ensures your changes are always protected. Sharing your spreadsheets is simple. You can send them via email or generate a shareable link. Real-time collaboration is also a key feature, allowing multiple people to work on the same document simultaneously, boosting productivity for your team.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.